Hey guys, MCOGAMER27. Welcome to my game room. But today we have a little treat. First and foremost, I want to thank my boy Jeff Centeno. He was the one that bought me this for my birthday. This is the 1 terabyte Pro Samsung Pro. This is for the PS5 upgrade that is certified for the PS5. This is a NVMe drive. Make sure, guys, that the brand you buy and the speed that you buy, it is compatible with your PS5. So if you do look online, you could see each product that is compatible for the PS5, okay? So I'm gonna show you, it'll take 5 minutes, how to upgrade your PS5 and put 1 terabyte in it. Let's start. All right, guys, first things first. You have to remove the stand of the PS5. If not, the upper shell will not come off, okay? The upper shell will not come off. You need a flathead screwdriver for this event, this one. Just a flathead to take out the screw. This one holds the PS5 and your stand, okay? So don't forget that. Remember, that is gonna be step number 1. Remove your stand. Number 2 is, okay, very easy. Wherever the drive is on a physical PS5, wherever the drive is going towards you, you're gonna hold this right here, nice and tight. This corner, remember, so the drive is gonna be facing this way. On the other hand, on the other right-hand corner, you're gonna lift and push down. There it is, it came off. Remember, okay? Very, very easy. Okay, take this off. Put this down somewhere safely. Number 2, now make sure this is compatible, okay? If you go to the Sony website, it'll tell you which drives are compatible. We're gonna open up the drive. Now this one brings already everything all in one. This one brings the heat heat sink and everything. So I will recommend you to buy something that brings everything already installed. It's just plug it in and then you're done, okay? Once again, this one is the Samsung 80 Pro. And once again, shout out to my boy Jay that he got this on my birthday. Okay, you got this here, okay? Now, next step, you have to drive here. You need now the Phillips screwdriver. Very gently, you're gonna take out the screw, put it safely somewhere, and you're gonna remove the top, and you're good. Okay? Now, this has a little nut that measures where, because this one is going to be 80. So you're gonna remove this here. There's a little nut here, guys. Gently, if I could, does this come out? Oh Lord, I can't. Okay, gently, you take it out. Take it out gently. And this has a ring. Okay, you're gonna put this ring in one of the spacers So the Samsung Pro, it is 80. Then this, just like if you're doing a memory, like for your computer, you see right here, you could tell which way it goes in. You push it in gently. That's it. You're done. Then you're gonna put in the screw. Nice and easy. And guys, you do not need to tighten this, okay? A lot. Just firmly. Very firmly. Don't tighten it, just until it won't move. There's no need for you to put so much. And that should be enough. Not so tight, guys. Perfect. This is perfect. Okay? Not so tight. Now you're gonna put back the top in like this. This will also keep it in place as well. Then when you turn on the PS5, not tight, guys, just to it, little tightened. It will ask you to format the drive, okay, for the PS5. And this works the speed of like the internal, same speeds, okay? So now I have, well, it's 800 terabytes on the regular PS5. So I got like 1.6 terabytes now, 1.6 with this here, okay? And guys, that's it. Then you get the cover. Oh, one more thing. Make sure before you do this, make sure you have no latest updates, because this thing requires a firmware. So make sure you got the latest software for the firmware, okay? You do the same. You go, you line it up. Remember the drive. Okay? And now you go a little up. Boom, it's there. All right, guys, I truly hope you enjoy this. Oh, and one more thing, don't forget, once you do that, you put the stand back on and you up and running. All right, guys, this is MCOGAMER27. Once again, I dedicate this video to my boy Jeff. God bless everyone. Peace.